I'm going to show you how to quickly add products to your Shopify store. So first you're going to get on over to your homepage and you're going to see the products. You're going to click that. You're going to add product, add product on the far right-hand side. You're going to add a title. Okay, then you're going to want to write a description of the product that you're adding. I already have one written out, so I'm going to just paste that in there. Here's the media. This is where you're going to add the photos of your product. And I have mine saved here. So I'm just going to grab that and drag and drop it into the media folder. And then here comes the pricing part. This is where you're going to want to put in how much your product costs. So I'll say 100. The compare price will be the sale price. So let's just say it was at $150 and now you're selling it for 100. Save it. I'll show you how that looks. Right there. See? So it's crossed out. So it was originally 150, but now it is 100. Cost per item. This is if you want to keep track on what your profit and your margin is. So you can say maybe it took you, $80 to make the item and you're selling it for 100. So it will calculate what your profit and your margin is. This is for inventory. If you have a SKU and a barcode, and if you want to track the inventory, we'll click that. And right here is where the location of the product is. And if you want to put your inventory in here. So if you have 10 sweatsuits available to sell, this is where you would put in your inventory and how many you have available. This is if it's a physical product. The shipping weight is great because it helps you decide what the cost is to ship out. So let's just say it weighs, less than a pound. You can put that in there, or a pound or more than that. If it's a digital product or service that you're selling, then you want to click that. And then here is options. Variants, so you can add the options, size, and color. So since we're selling a sweatsuit, it comes in different sizes. So we're going to hit size. The option value will be small, medium, large, and extra large. So done. You'll want to click these buttons and add in your image. And here's the price. You can change the prices for the different sizes. Let's say you want to charge $80 for the small, $70 for the medium, large 100, and extra large 150. You can change all the prices separately here. This again is your inventory. So you want to type in how many you have. Let's just say we have 10 small, 10 medium, 10 large, and 10 extra large on file on hand. Okay. So that's where you'll put in the inventory. This is your search engine listing here. Right here to the right-hand side, here's how you're going to organize your product. So for the product category, we're going to say this is apparel and accessories. And this is a sweatsuit. So I'll write that in. Okay. And if you've already created collections, you can put this product in your collection. So I have a collection that's already pre-made called apparel. So we're going to put in the apparel collection. You can create tags for this. So when customers are searching in the search bar, they can find your product a little more easier if they're specifically searching for your product. Okay, now we're going to hit save. Okay, we have everything saved, and now we are going to preview the page. And this is how it will look. Here's the photo, the sale price, which shows that it's on sale for 100. We have the different variant options, small, medium, large, extra large. And we have the product description here. And there it is.